Hey everybody, Chris here. Today we're going to make a really easy side that you can put along with pretty much anything during the summer especially. It's grilled sugar snap peas with some trumpeter mushrooms. I'm going to first start by preheating this guy on the grill. If you don't have one of these, get one, a grill basket. This one I've had for years, but they are worth the very few pennies that they cost. One of my personal theories is if you want something to taste like the summer, you grill it with lemon, garlic, and fresh herbs. That will make something taste very, very summery. So I have my mushrooms and my peas, and that's what we're gonna do with it. We're gonna grill it up with some garlic, some lemon, fresh herbs afterwards. It's gonna be so good. 1 pound of sugar snap peas, and then my trumpeter mushrooms. If you don't have these, you can use whatever kind of mushroom that you like. I like these because they hold up really well. They keep a good texture, especially when you're grilling or like sauteing or pan frying. Dicing them up real small, you don't really do that with this mushroom. To treat this, we're going to just cut it more into strips, about like this. I'm gonna keep them, those whole pieces, and they will go perfect with this dish. This is the part that's gonna go directly on the grill. And then our herbs, I have some chives and dill. Dill, I feel like people are kind of scared of it sometimes. It can be a little potent, or maybe they just always feel like whatever they use it with is gonna taste like a pickle. Maybe people don't like pickles. But seriously, it's so good. Definitely try it in this dish. I'm gonna chop up my dill and my chives and have them set aside as soon as the vegetables come off of the grill. They're still really hot. Toss these in there and that will release the best flavor from your herbs. The flavors, they can come and go pretty quick. And so adding them right at the end when everything's hot, it's the best. Easy as that, very few ingredients, lots of flavor though, super fresh, will go great along any grilled meat that you want to do, or even if you don't eat meat, this is a great dish to kind of lead out your meal. So give it a try. The full recipe is linked in the description of this video. Make it for somebody you care about. Take care.